This is Madhvi. I'm making a video of my superfood recipe. It's cooked vegetables. So, well, my language might not be so good because I'm doing 2 works at a time. In a pan, you have to put some 1 small spoon of gingerly oil, then adding some cumin. So this is cumin seeds. You can also add some mustard seeds. Well, it's due to summer season, I'm adding only cumin seeds. Then I'm putting some 3 to 4 pieces of gundu malka. I hope you understand what is gundu malka. You can see that. And after sauteing them for a while, already I have prepared my vegetables here. So these are the chopped cabbages, Indian cabbage, and this is raw mango, pachamanga. So this is my superfood. You have to do the sorting over very low flame so that don't burn things and don't get sneezing, coughing, and people think that you got corona. Once you feel they have turned little brown, little crispy, then have to add vegetables. Excuse me. It's difficult to do 2 things at a time. Let me place all my veggies in the pan. It works as a superfood. Why I am mentioning superfood? Because it's very much good for overall health, especially for weight loss, maintaining good health, good energy, and it's a very much big part of ketogenic diet where cruciferous vegetables are mentioned. So now I have to do little sorting of it. And meanwhile, I would say some of the more benefits of eating these kind of cooked vegetables. And the most important thing is I'm not adding salt, because the entire thing is it's a salt which creates a water retention in the body and creating a kind of sluggish feel in the entire system. So you feel lack of energy, tiredness, it's like dragging your body, difficulty to get up in the morning, heaviness feel in the entire body. So salt is one of the main reasons, and cabbage is the key ingredient. For a taste, you can add some other vegetables rather than a raw mango, but cabbage is the key ingredient. Along with cabbage, you can add either carrots or sweet potatoes or any other low-calorie veggie of your choice. Tomatoes are neutral for cooking. I think carrot goes well in the taste. Yes, I'm also gonna add some this drumstick leaves, moringa leaves. This is also again optional, and adding drumstick is also optional. But these are the things which also works as a superfood. Along with this, cabbage is the most important. So as most of the people feel it's so boring, but it is not. So you can make it interesting and tasty. So once you feel it's a little soft, sorted, and then I'm gonna add turmeric to it. Natural, pure, raw, organic turmeric powder. Turmeric also has got so much of cleansing and healing properties. The chemical component called curcumin is a key component in turmeric, which helps to reduce stagnation in the system, anti-inflammatory. It boost the capacity and functioning of liver, because liver is the master organ, and when the energy is getting circulated from liver, that makes the entire system as a whole complete and healthy. So I mean, like, I'm making this video after my second personal experience with cabbage. When I was raw vegan, I used to make a salad of raw cabbage, apple cider vinegar or lemon, and some black pepper, adding some other vegetables like bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers. But this kind of cooked cabbage, oh, within 2 days I feel so light in my entire system. Your brain works so faster, so miraculously. And you can add some small piece of ginger also. It aids for digestion. So once the sorting of turmeric is also done with this cabbage, now I'm gonna add plenty of water with it. You can make it like a poriyal, or also you can make it like a soup. Both the ways it works best, but make sure you don't make it so spicy like a typical Indian food, only masala, and you kill the entire veggie. That shouldn't be the case. So adding almost like 1 sombu of water and allowing it to boil. And this is my meal of the day. I will be eating it into 2 parts because it's too huge, and I don't think so that I will be able to eat it in once, because the cabbage was really so big, and it's just the 1/4 of the cabbage which I bought today. And moringas are from our own tree. La, la, la. Now you can increase flame to medium flame. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut this moringa as well as these leaves. I'm gonna put into it and allow it to get cooked well. Also adding this small piece of ginger. I'm gonna add little more from this by enriching it into my black stone. Yes, oral. Yes, this is my oral. So this is my instrument for breaking these herbs. And after cooking, I'll make another short video. Till then, ta-da, bye-bye. So here, it's on the boil. I have added some of these moringa leaves and it's on fire. And here is my oral, in which I'm gonna crush these ginger, small 2 pieces of ginger. You can mash it nicely. People also do make it into small pieces and put it, but it's best to crush it nicely so that you get all its benefits and juices, and it gets equally distributed into your entire food. And allowing it for some 10 minutes would be enough. It should be like almost like semi-cooked, half-boiled, not spoiling its nutritions. So I'm ready here with my cooked cabbage. It's looking so nice and beautiful, colorful. Yellow, green, red. So it is in this state, almost completely cooked, but I'm not gonna cook it more further. I think this is enough. And there's not much water inside it. It's almost, with the color of it and texture of it, I can feel it's cooked. And now I'm gonna add some of, so I'm gonna switch off the flame and allow it to cool down for some 10 to 15 minutes. When it is just warm, not so hot. That should be the proper way of eating food. It should be warm, not so cold, neither too hot. And the most important thing is which we don't follow with the modern stuff is not adding oil at all or adding so much of oil while cooking. So I'm doing it the opposite way, and that is from the also from the perspective of the keto diet as well as from the ancient Ayurveda style. So where you have to use very little oil while cooking, but adding oil as a topping. So I'm gonna use this is a pure gingerly oil, and I'm gonna do topping of it. So you have to add either 1 or 2 spoon of it, and it's not at all dangerous, because if you are following any kind of diet and doing workout and you're not consuming fat, it will make you so tired and soreness in the muscles and tiredness. And the fat, which is a healthy fat, the good cholesterol, it is essential for all the muscles, including heart and brain, which are mostly made up of fat. And gingerly oil is the one which suits best in all climatic conditions with all kind of body type of people. And it makes your bones stronger, and it heals any kind of scars or injuries or pain in the lining of the stomach or intestines. It heals all the wounds of intestines. So if people who doesn't have this kind of gingerly oil, they can use either ghee or butter. Preferably these are the best things, or olive oil, but olive oil is not the first choice. Olive oil is best if you use it in the winter season, not in the summer. And this gingerly oil is the one which goes well with all climatic conditions. So after doing the topping of it, it's done, completely ready. And if your appetite is too much, you're feeling so much hungry, and if you're able to eat this much amount in one time, make it as your lunch. Or if you're not able to eat it, and the most important thing is you have to eat this alone without any other extra things like rice or chapati, any other extra things, blah blah blah. If you want, you can add some lemon or apple cider vinegar, but that's not necessary. I feel for this it makes a complete food. And one who follows this kind of diet in a very shorter span of time, you will feel so energetic, so fresh, your body's ability will improve, your sluggishness will go away, and you will feel so much motivated to do your workout. And remember not to add salt. Salt is the biggest enemy for weight loss. And I think this is enough to put in a small video. Okay guys, make it, eat it, enjoy it. Till then, bye bye.